बात रखी माइक सेंटर में।
आज हम सबसे पहले हमारे मुसलमान भाई के साथ खड़े होने आए हैं। हमारे तरफ से एज सिख कम्युनिटी वी वांट टू स्टैंड इन सॉलिडारिटी विद द मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी who have been very badly hurt in terms of sentiments. Whatever has been spoken is already there in the media. We as a community always say that no religion is above law. We have to see that every religion is respected. Nobody can talk about another religion without any meaning. We have also been seeing that in Bangalore, especially in Karnataka, our Muslim brothers have shown so much of tolerance. This is something unique only in Karnataka, and we congratulate the Muslim community for the peace that they have shown. And the elders who are here, they have shown the way that everywhere in India the same thing is not happening. Where there are wise sentiments, they are also hurt. It's not that they are not hurt. उनको भी दुख लगा है, लेकिन वो दुख को बढ़ने के लिए हम आए हैं. We are here to share their sorrow and also to tell them that we are with them. Police commissioner also assured them that whatever happens, we are with you. We are very, very fair in everything. There is not going to be any partiality in anything. If anything is right, they will be supported. Anything is wrong, action will be taken. And assurance has been given by the police commissioner that the thoughts and sentiments of Muslim community will be taken to the CM and the government, and to tell them also that the community is hurt, yet they have shown tolerance and they want peace. Thank you.
Your good name?
मेरा नाम है जसबीर सिंह डोडी. I am from the Gurdwara Sri Guru Singh Sabha also.